reporter Vinay Simlot live at Fort Loudoun Dam. Vinay, forecasters working closely with river managers at TVA, and we are already seeing the results tonight.
Yeah, they're spilling the Fort Loudoun Lake and the dam. Back here you can see the water coming in. That's to control the levels of the Tennessee River as forecasters look ahead to some rain over the next couple of days. A week of ice and snow.
As of right now, there's about an inch, anywhere from ½ an inch to 1.5 inches of snow water equivalent on the ground.
And now rain.
Avoid driving on flooded roadways.
Road crews in Monroe County worry about places like Rocky Springs Road. It's in a hilly area, it's flood prone, and the road is already wet.
When you're in your vehicle and you see water on the roadway, it's very, very difficult to determine how deep that water is and what that water is covering up on the roadway.
In some places, piles of snow can stop water from draining the way it's supposed to. AAA's advice: if you're going to drive, give the people around you more space. Avoid using cruise control, and if your wipers are on, turn on your headlights. Flooded roads can cause people to hydroplane too. That's when your wheels are on water and not touching the road.
Continue to grip that steering wheel, let off of the accelerator and slow down until you're able to make that contact back with the roadway.
TVA says it's moving water to keep river levels low,
And so that we can store water in the tributary lakes.
They say they lower the lakes and reservoirs for the winter so they have extra flexibility to do it.
It's going to come in very handy this week, especially over the next couple of days. And then our ability to be able to move water as much as possible through the Tennessee River system, which is exactly why we do what we do every year with the water levels.
And TVA says it'll continue spilling through at least tomorrow. That's when they'll reevaluate and see how the conditions are. One more note, we checked with the National Park Service to see if they're worried about any of the water in their area. They say no, as it's forecast right now. They don't expect a lot of flooding, John.
All right, Vinay Simlot live for us at Fort Loudoun Dam tonight.